Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Power of Knowledge. So guys, today we'll discuss the last topic of airline terminology and then move on to next topic. So today I'm here to just let you know about the two topics, that is jump seat and one more, like what we call it as, or what are the names of the both wing which are present at the right and left of the aircraft, right? So you might have traveled or you might have not traveled. I'm taking both the possibilities. Like if you have traveled also, you may have not heard the name jump seat, and if you have not traveled, then also not a problem. I'll let you know what is jump seat, and I'll also show you where exactly it will be. Okay, so guys, if you have traveled, then my question is, have you ever heard about the name called jump seat? If yes, then well and good, and if no, then I'm here to tell you guys today what is jump seat. So you might have seen there is a seats for passenger, but have you ever thought of the cabin crew seats? You might have seen the cabin crew seats or where they have seated, but do you know what that seat we call it as? So yes guys, exactly, the seats which are being used by cabin crew or which is dedicated for cabin crew to be seated, that seat we call it as jump seat. So usually there will be total 6 jump seat in our Indian aircrafts, like Indian airline aircrafts. Most probably they use Airbus A320. So in Airbus A320 we have total 6 numbers of jump seats, in which 2 seats will be at the front left side and remaining 4 will be at extreme back, that is again 2 at the right side of the backside door and 2 at the left side of the backside door. So totally we have 6 jump seat. You can see over here in the picture, this we call it as jump seat, which is being used by the cabin crew, and they be seated on these seats while takeoff and landing. Okay, so this we call it as jump seat, and in upcoming video, or like when we go to that particular topic, I'll let you know guys why there is 2 additional jump seat. So why there is 2 additional jump seat in the aircraft. In all the aircrafts there will be either 1 or 2 additional jump seats, and when we go to that particular topic, I'll let you know why it is or what is the use of the extra jump seats. So for now, just keep in mind that the seat which is being used by cabin crews or which is dedicated for cabin crew, that seat we call it as jump seat, and it is totally different from the normal passenger seats. Okay, the next topic is the sides of the wing or the wing name of the aircraft. So you might know there is a wings at the both side, in between there is a fuselage. So in general we can call it as right side wing or left side wing, but in airline or in aviation we have a particular name for both the wings, and the left side wing we call it as port side and the right side wing we call it as starboard side. So again, port side wing is used for passenger boarding and deboarding. Passenger deboarding and boarding cannot happen from the starboard side. All over the world it has been instructed, or it is a rule given by IATA or ICAO that passenger boarding and deboarding should be only from the port side, not from the starboard side. In case of emergency it is allowed, but normally passenger boarding and deboarding happens from the port side, and port side wing we call the port side wing is one which is at the left side or your left hand side of the aircraft. Right side wing we call it as starboard side wing or starboard. That side all the ground activities happens, like fueling, passenger baggage loading, cargo loading or offloading of the baggage. All these activities happens at the starboard side. Okay, So keep in mind guys, left side wing we call it as port side and right side wing we call it as starboard side. In the next class or next video we'll see about navigational lights of an aircraft. We'll meet up in the next video, and if you like the video and still if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and like. If you like the video, please go ahead and like the video. We'll meet up in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.